Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 6th of September. And first of all, national news. Cricketer Ravindra Jadeja joined BJP. Bihar launched Safe Travel Helpline for women in 6 districts. TCS is the second largest Indian company by market capitalization. India Singapore elevated ties, inked for agreements during PM Modi's visit. Putin said, constantly in touch with India over Ukraine conflict, our report said. Trio measure of a leader's his legacy, Gautam Adani's Teachers' Day message. And now, international news. Donald Trump pleaded not guilty to revised 2020 election charges. First batch of Mpox vaccine doses arrived in Congo epicenter of outbreak. Second phase of polio vaccination campaign began in Gaza amid raging war. French President Macron named ex-Brexit negotiator as new French PM. Spacecraft flight closer to Mercury than planned after thruster problems. Now some sports news. Axar Patel scored an incredible 86 and then picked up two further wickets. Kapil Parmar won judo bronze. India's medal tally touched 25. India reached 25 medals for the first time in an Olympic or Paralympic Games. Business related news. Adani Group to raise $1.5 billion dollars through dollar bonds. Reliance Industries approved bonus share issue in 1 is to 1 ratio. SABI employees held silent protest amid reports of toxic work culture. GDP growth projection of 7.2% for financial year 25 does not appear out of place, RBI Governor. Vehicle dealers reach alarming inventory levels worth over rupees 77,000 crore in August. And that's all in news. Thank you.